Looking for a delicious and healthy spaghetti squash recipe suitable for diabetics? Well, search no more because today, we have just the right recipe for you. First off, we'll start with a medium-sized spaghetti squash. This vibrant vegetable, which gets its name from the spaghetti-like strands it forms when cooked, is a fantastic source of fiber. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels, a key concern for people with diabetes. Now, cut the spaghetti squash in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. Drizzle it with olive oil, then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. Next, place the squash halves cut side down on a baking sheet and roast in a preheated oven for about 40 minutes. Once it's done, use a fork to scrape out the spaghetti strands from the squash. While the squash is roasting, prepare a sauce. Heat some olive oil in a pan and add chopped garlic and red chili flakes. Garlic has been found to lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity in diabetics. Chili flakes, on the other hand, contain capsaicin, which can boost metabolism and help in maintaining a healthy weight. Then, add some diced tomatoes to the pan. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index and are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that may reduce the risk of heart diseases, a common complication of diabetes. Finally, toss the roasted spaghetti squash in the sauce and garnish with fresh basil leaves. Basil not only adds a punch of flavor, but it also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So there you have it, a delicious, diabetic-friendly spaghetti squash recipe that packs a punch of flavor and a host of health benefits. It combines the rich, fiber-filled goodness of spaghetti squash with the heart-healthy benefits of olive oil, the blood sugar-lowering properties of garlic, the metabolic boost from chili flakes, the low glycemic index of tomatoes, and the antioxidant properties of basil. This recipe is not just a tasty meal, but a step towards better management of diabetes through diet. So why wait? Give this spaghetti squash recipe a try and savor the blend of health and taste it offers.